I want to say one quick thing, and then I'm going to turn over to Dr. Zastoupil. So when you first started off, I felt like it was like a secret. You don't want anybody behind you to see what was going on. Everything was, did you guys notice that? Everything was just like right here. Okay, I would like to see you open up your space more. We talked about the torso earlier, right? So there was absolutely no torso in that at all. It was like you were doing like witchcraft or something like here in front of you. You understand what I'm saying? So you've got to open up. Okay? So that's my big thing, and I know that Dr. Zastoupil has some things too, but you want to go ahead and do it now?
You want me to try the beginning
again? Yeah,
let's
do the beginning again, and open up, okay? Open up. So it's not a secret, all right?
Okay.
Good. Okay. You're a really good horn player.
Thanks.
Okay?
Was.
If I gave you that prep and you were playing horn, you would flip me off. You'd be like, seriously? Give them an idiomatic gesture to play that first note. Those are your people. You know I'm kidding with you, but like, those are your people. Give them a start that you would want. And you and I make music and community band together. You're one of the only people in that section that like looks up constantly, you know, and you know you're paying attention.
Okay.
And so you raise my expectation of myself when we make music together because I know you're paying attention and you're watching.
Okay.
So raise your expectation in that first note for them. Okay. See if you can put that in a more sensitive box.
But still open.
Yeah, but still open. Yeah. And some of it is you just need to set up. May I?
Mm-hmm.
You okay? Mm-hmm. I want you to be more out in front of yourself.
Okay.
And turn that hand over just a little bit like that. Do you guys see the difference? rather than back here and turn this way, out in front that way.
Okay.
It's too Bodhi. Just lift, place. Yeah, why do you have to move outwards? Why do you have to go out and then
I
in?
guess because I'm thinking, I don't know.
Bodhi. Okay, go again. Yeah. So if the note happens on 4, the breath is on 3, we need to start in the position of 2. Okay, so you're going to start over here, and you're going to go 4, 1.
Okay.
Right? That's the rule. Wherever the note is, you breathe the beat before that, you start in the position before that. So if the note starts on 1, we're going to breathe on 4, start in the position of 3. Right? So in here, we're going to start at 2, 3, 4, 1.
Okay.
Yeah, I just don't want all this extra stuff, may I?
Yes.
Flatten your thumb out. Okay, here we go. You ready? Let go. Let me drive. Just let go of your arm. Let go more. Just let it go. No. I need you to totally...
Aren't you riding? I'm sorry.
I know. I will hold your
Okay.
arm. Let go. Ooh, there we go. Let go more. Now I feel the weight of your arm. Great. Here we go. No, don't do anything. Let me do it, okay? Let go. Here we go. Let go. I got it. I got it. Let go. Let me do it. Let go. Okay.
Okay.
Did you notice how smooth we're trying to make this out here?
Mm-hmm.
That's where we need to go.
Okay.
You have a lot of whippy motion when you move. It's not really a backbeat, but it's getting close.
Okay.
We want to get that out of there, so it's really smooth. See if you can do it. So start in 2, and you're just going to
Okay.
breathe. 4,
Okay.
1. Okay, here we go. Keep moving. See how smooth you can make it out here. The wrist should move up and down. 5. Let the wrist move up and down, and let the arm show the phrase of the whole beat pattern. Good. Good. Do you guys see when she turns, it'll be like, you see how fast it is? That's the even flow of time in between the beats that we want to smooth out a little bit, right? Because it's just so big. Okay, try it again. We're getting
Okay.
somewhere. We're getting somewhere, and this is great. It's working well. Think about how smooth it is in between the beats. There you go. Good for you. Good for you. Keep going. And pull. Smooth. Oh, this is so much better. Keep the wrist moving. Yeah, good. So every now and then you feel that little tick there. When you watch it on the video, you're going to see it.
Okay.
And it should start to drive you crazy when you see that little tick motion there, that it's not smooth up and down all the time. The wrist should, I want you to try to reprogram this, moving the wrist straight up and down all the time, and just moving the arm left to right. But the wrist is going to stay up and down.
So none of this.
None of that. Try to get
okay.
away from that. Just let the wrist move up and down and let the arm show the pattern or phrase, however you want to think about it.
Okay.
Does that make sense?
Yeah.
So this is always painting up and down. As smooth as you can make it.
Okay.
Okay? I'm going to go one more time at the beginning. Keep
Okay.
this going up and down and let the arm move left to right. Just watch your hand. Let the wrist move up and down. See, it's still moving left and right. It's gonna be a hard change. Freeze. So you guys can't really see it, but when she turns this way, she actually pivots her
my
thumb
pinky
like
too.
this. Yeah, and you're manipulating things with your fingers. So try to keep this the same. I don't care if you have to like ace bandage this thing to where it just stays like that,
Okay.
you know? So it stays that way. We used to teach kids when we played traditional grip, you know, in percussion class, we would like wrap their hand, you know, so like, because this is such an awkward position, you know? You may have to just wrap it so it stays and you can't move anything else.
Okay.
So wrist goes up and down, let the arm show the phrase a little bit.
Okay.
Okay? Cool,
Perfect.
good job.
Thank you.
Good job.